explorer. Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to make Semolina Burfi. I have taken 2 cups of semolina. Now I'm going to roast it, and also 2 cups of coconut, 2 cups of sugar. We'll make some sugar syrup by adding 1 cup of water. When the syrup is getting ready, you can add any kind of essence and also roasted coconut, a few drops of coloring. Mix it, and then I'm going to add the roasted semolina. In this stage you can add any kind of nuts, it's optional. At last, add half cup of milk. Let's transfer this into a butter grease tray. Now the semolina burfi is ready. Hope you guys enjoy my video today. If you like my video, give a thumb up, share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and turn on the bell button to get more videos. Stay tuned. Thank you.